Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Well, I had a swap, the Esther Luca secret Cupid swap. No, anyway, it's her Valentine swap, and I have to apologize to Susan, my partner. I got this, I don't know, maybe a week ago, but I have not had the chance to open it. Oh my gosh. Anyway, her packaging, the inside of her box was so cute. But anyway, so here it is. This looks like it might be my main project. We were not told what we had to make. It was up to us as long as it wasn't a pocket letter. I sent her the mini album that I showed you guys. So these are the extras. So I'm gonna set this aside, and we'll open that in a little bit. But so I don't know what she sent me. So I'm gonna open this one first. Aww, look at that. She made me some cute little rosettes. She has a die for this. I don't have a die. I really need to get a die. It's so much less work with the die. But that's so pretty. Thank you, Susan. Those are very, very cute. And then she sent me some bows. And you guys know I love the bows. Oh, look at these. Oh, I love those. Those are so pretty. And then she sent me a couple of little containers. And this one has, let me see what it has in there. Oh, it's got some of the dewdrops. White and pink, or clear and pink. I don't even know if I was in focus. Those are so cute. I love the dewdrops. Thank you, Susan. Love the little dewdrops. Okay, and then this one has a sequins mix. And I'm not going to take these out, but it looks like pink and iridescent white and white, maybe. Pretty, pretty. Thank you, Susan. Love that. Okay, now let's see what this one contains. So excited. Oh, okay, let's see. This looks like a little banner of some sort with hearts. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah, it looks like a little banner, guys. That's cute. Love that. Pretty. And then she sent me a bunch of paper clips. Look at this. She sent me some of the great big ones. Oh, I love those. All pink. Different shades of pink. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 of the great big paper clips. 3 of the big paper clips. Oh, those are cute. And her little topper with her little ruffle here. Pretty. A geometric heart. And then she sent me more rosettes, and these are cut at the ends, or you know, around the outside. Those are so pretty. Look at that. Oh, okay. Look, she may have used a die to cut these out with, but still, those are so pretty. I can certainly use those. Thank you, Susan. And then this one, let's see what's in this one. This is where her cards are. Look at that. Those are pretty. Happy Valentine's Day. Let's open these up. Oh, those are so pretty. Look at that bottom heart. I love that paper. Pretty. And they are blank. And they have the envelopes, the matching envelopes. Very pretty. Thank you, Susan. I can never have enough cards. At least me, because I'm not a card maker. Pretty. And then, let me see what this is. Oh my gosh, guys, I have searched and searched for this die. Oh my gosh, Susan, thank you. Peony Bloom handbag die set. Okay, a while ago, Tuesday morning had these. And I have been hunting from one Tuesday morning to another. Let me tell you, I have gone to so many Tuesday mornings looking for this exact die. Susan, you don't know how happy you have made this woman. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Can't wait to make one. It's got a lot of pieces in there. I love it. Oh, this, if my swap just contained this, I would be elated. I mean, I'm done. Susan, thank you so much. Ladies, you don't know how happy I am. Seriously. I can't make a lot of noise because my nephew is in the next room and he's sick and he's been coughing and I feel bad for him. This is my main project, so I am so excited to see what she made. How pretty. Oh, I know what this is. Look, the packaging, the top of the box was filled with all this crinkle and all these pom-poms. It just looks so pretty. And this fell down. Look at this. Oh my gosh, look at that. That's so pretty. And I know what it is, and I'm sure you guys do too, so let's get ready for it. Let's look at the outside. Beautiful, beautiful, happy looking paper on the outside. I mean, just look bright and happy. Very, very pretty. It's an explosion box, guys, and it feels heavy. Hugs and kisses. Oh, I love that, Susan. So we're going to remove the top. And there, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my gosh. Let's put this back in there. Okay. Excuse me, let's look at it this way first. Beautiful little mat here in the center. And we'll look at this one. Oh, look. Oh my gosh, Susan. Look at that. That is so cool. That is so cool. I don't know if this opens up or not. Yes, it does. Room for pictures there. Oh my gosh. This was work. This was work for her. This one goes in here. A little mat. This one has a little pocket with a couple of little mats. Oh, I love that. Look at that. That's another one. Okay. Oh my goodness, that's pretty. How fun. Can you imagine what it took her to make this? It took her a while, I'm sure. And then this one has, okay, this is the front. This is a pocket. And you flip it over. There, oh. There's another pocket on this side with a mat. And then this is a little waterfall. Look at that. She matted both sides. How pretty. The magnet. And then if we flip it over, this one has a little accordion for pictures with a little ribbon closure. Wow. This one has a pocket with a mat. That's pretty. Look at that paper. How pretty is that? And then this one is a gatefold. Open it up. Look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is so pretty. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that. That's so pretty. And you flip it over, there's another pocket. And this one, I think it's another, yes, look at that. So pretty. I love that each side is a bit different, or I think they mirror the side across from them. Yes, because this one has the little, I forgot what you call those things, and then it repeats itself. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Beautiful. Susan, you did an amazing job. Thank you so, so much. I love it. There we go. Oh my gosh. She did say that she had followed a tutorial from Rosa Kelly. So I think I saw that tutorial, and this is just gorgeous. I love your colors. I love everything, especially that dye. Thank you so much, Susan. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate it so, so very much.